Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to add products on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, click on Products and then click the Add Product button. Your product title should be clear and easy to search, so instead of just naming an item scented candle, use descriptive keywords like this. For the product description, your first option is to manually type in simple bullet points to explain what your product does and why people need it. Alternatively, your second option is to use Shopify's built-in AI tool called Shopify Magic. To do this, click the sparkle icon located right inside the text toolbar and type a few features in the prompt box, such as lavender scented candle, soy wax, hand-poured, calming scent, glass jar, and long-lasting. Within seconds, Shopify Magic will write a professional description for you to help you get more sales. Next, scroll down to the media section and upload high-quality photos. Start with a clean studio shot as your main image and follow that with a few lifestyle shots. Under the pricing section, set your retail price. If you want to show a sale, use the Compare at Price field to enter the original price right next to the discount. Finally, enter your stock numbers under inventory and type the exact weight of the item under shipping to ensure accurate delivery rates at checkout. Once those details are filled out, look at the top right corner and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add products on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.